I'll talk about all the automated system, the automatic watering system, and you catch the rainwater to the tanks, and then eventually we'll future-proof it with a bore up the top.
But we don't need to mention bore because we don't know if it's going to be successful.
It will be, trust me.
Trust you.
Even the ones down the
Okay.
bottom we can make work. We just been talking to Scott about, he's got a guy he knows, or it might be his brother-in-law, who has the technology to easily take the iron out of the water and then use the water, and he said it tastes beautiful.
Fine.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Easy system.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
So we're at the greenhouses now, and the greenhouses are going to play an integral part of the Earth Village, as this will be a huge food source for the village eventually, and it's also going to be a learning opportunity for the youth that are coming through to learn about horticulture and growing their own food, and the conditions that plants prefer and things like that. Also, it's going to be really useful for us for growing a lot of native New Zealand plants. Already we're growing puriri and aki. I've got several thousand tea tree plants growing already, so we've already made a start on that. We're also potentially looking at medicinal plants, things like the kawakawa, and which is a Maori medicinal plant that has been used for centuries, and also things like loquat, which a lot of people don't know about, that has great properties, antibiotics, antioxidants and things like that in them. So we'll be looking at growing some of those. The greenhouses themselves, you can see behind me the solar panels. We've got fully solar powered, which runs the water pump, and all of the vents at the top of the greenhouse automatically open and close, and that's the power supplies those motors as well. The irrigation system, the water supply is rainwater falls on the top of the greenhouses. We've got 1,500 square metres of roof area there, which is a huge catchment. It doesn't take long for the tanks to fill up. We have two 25,000 litre tanks at the back there and space for another 4. And the water goes into an automated watering system, so we have sensors like evaporation sensors that trigger the watering to come on for some parts of it, and then we have an electronic controller which has a timer on it, which also waters different plants at different times. So yes, it's fully automated. I can hear them creaking behind me as we speak, as the vents are opening and closing. They're all wind sensitive, wind direction sensitive, rain sensitive, and temperature controlled. So there's a lot going on that we don't even have to worry about because it's all automated. And yeah, so the more we do, the more solar panels we can put up there, and we've got room for one more inverter, so we can produce a lot more power if we need it, because there will be eventually down here a carpentry workshop and other things. So yeah, it's going to be a really exciting place to work for a lot of the youth that come in from overseas.